Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Strava. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this window of Strava and we click. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you can turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.